Don't let them lie to you.
Black is beautiful.
They wanna take your soul.
Black is beautiful.
Don't let them lie to you.
Black is beautiful.
You can have it all.
Black is beautiful.
Shorty, you my Q-U-double-E-N. Shorty, you my Q-U-double-E-N. Shorty, you my Q-U-double-E-N. You can have it all. You can have it all.
Young, black, beautiful, intelligent, bright. Lace you with ice in due time, make you my wife. Apologize for the lames that wasn't loving you right. The compromise for.
What's up, Beverly Hall family? Welcome back to another episode of the Beverly Hall. Today, you already know, it's going down in the major way. Today, guys, we got a Nerf gun fight. Mark Cannon said he's ready.
Popping off with the Nerf guns today.
Braylon say he's ready.
It's gonna be us versus them. Us versus them.
Who is us? Who is the team? Who is the team? Who is us?
Shannon versus you and Braylon.
Hold up, that ain't good. That ain't good. That ain't good. That ain't good. It
Why?
gotta be you
Why?
and Braylon because you're gonna need the help because you got the baby. So we gotta make sure we keep it safe with the baby because you're gonna need the help because man, Cannon, we got the firepower.
Fine, me and Braylon, me and Beat Nasty gonna
Okay, you and B
swag it out.
Herm Braylon against me and Mark Cannon. You ready to shoot him up, Cannon? Okay, let's go.
And before we get started, make sure that if you're not already, you like, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure you hit that notification bell. Ding. Let's get it. So the rules are no hiding in the room. No hiding in the bathroom. No hiding in mommy's and daddy's room. You can hide anywhere else but in mommy's and daddy's room. So, do you hear that? You can hide anywhere else but in mommy's and daddy's room. So mommy's and daddy's room is off limits. Oh, no.
And
No.
you're not allowed in the family room.
No family room. No, why not the family room?
This one right here, no.
Oh, yeah, no, not in the family room. So, you guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's get it! So we checking out the heat we working with. What kind of gun you got, Mark Cannon?
Weapon.
Okay, what weapon is that? What weapon is this?
The AR.
Ooh, the AR. Ooh, you're not playing, huh, Cannon? You ready to get him? Okay, then, okay. Ooh, Braylon, what weapon are you working with today, huh?
The Elite AR assault rifle.
Ooh, and what is that hip? What is that on your chest right there? What is that? What is that?
A deagle.
Ooh, a deagle. Ooh, who you gonna shoot with that deagle? You're not gonna shoot me.
Yes, I am.
Okay then, okay. Okay then, babe. What kind of weapon are you working with? What is?
Locked and loaded here. We're working with the Fortnite 5-pack extra rejuva.
Ooh, okay then, okay.
Your quiver.
What's that on your hip? What's that on your hip?
I call this a pistol P.
Ooh, shoot, she got the scope on there too. Y'all see the scope? Do y'all see the scope? Oh my God.
That's for
She's trying to
precision.
put people to bed. Okay, okay.
Eddie Hall, let's see what you're working with here. What do we have?
Man, y'all already know what it is. This is the Fortnite. Get 'em right. You did. This the Fortnite. Get 'em right.
Oh,
you already know this my go-getter, you did. This the go-getter. You think you're gonna hide, but I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You see that? See through. Yeah, I see through everything. I'm coming to get you. Hide behind the chair, I'm still gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Let's get it.
You gonna get it.
All right, guys, we're about to spread out on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Cannon, you on Daddy's team. You on Daddy's team.
You can't follow us. You're not supposed to be on our team. Yes. You're on Daddy's team. Daddy's coming. You gotta go. You gotta go or he's gonna find us. No, go find your partner. No, you go hide with Daddy.
Go hide with Daddy. Go hide with Daddy.
Go hide with Daddy.
I'm so scared.
Hopefully he doesn't find out we're in here. He's coming.
Everything okay out there?
Was it a setup? Let's set this by the coffee.
I'm dropping my weapons, but they think they're gonna get away from me. Where are they? 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 Someone's in here. No, it's in there. Where are they?
He's checking the cabinets. He's checking the cabinet. He's getting his gun.
You what, Cannon?
I'm gonna go back to mommy.
You want to be on Mommy's team?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody can't be against Daddy.
That's messed up. Everybody against Daddy? That ain't good. You don't want to be against Daddy. You don't want to be against Daddy. That's not right. Okay.
You ready to mission? Are you ready to mission? Are you ready to mission? Are you ready to mission?
Y'all got some crazy ammo over there.
You have even more ammo.
All right, Cannon, you're gonna be my shield, okay? I need you to protect me and the baby.
Got the shield potion.
All right, are you ready to go find the bad guys? And shoot them down with this mean AR you got? All right, let's get them. I'm with you, okay? There we go. Gotta be very quiet. Shoot him!
Right here. Right there. Go right here. Right here. Right here.
Get him.
Lock you out.
Was that so fun?
Yeah, we have to rotate the bunker.
So who do you think won?
We have to rotate the bunker.
Do you think we won or do you think Daddy and Braylon won?
I won.
You won.
Now.
We locked everybody up.
Yeah, we have to go back in the bunker.
Back in the bunker and hide? You heard him.
Let's do it. Daddy!
Get him! Get under cover! Get under cover! Look at him pull out my pistol. In case if he sees me. I can't see. Your brother's. Oh no! Oh no! How are we gonna save him? My gun doesn't work. Oh my god. You guys don't know what this is like pregnant. I'm all out of ammo. I don't have any ammo left. No. God. I'm just gonna duck for cover.
Yeah, these bullets hurt.
Oh no.
And then I just saw you with that gun.
Anyways, guys, life update. 36 weeks pregnant. I think
Yes.
we have like a little over 3 weeks left until we'll see baby boy.
Yes, a little bit of 3 weeks, you know.
Where
I think
is the
that's a
time
little
gone?
bitty. I think that's about to go so fast.
I think it's gonna go so fast too. It's already went so fast. It's like,
Braylon, are you ready for your little brother?
Yeah, I'm ready for my little brother. I have a big brother.
Cannon, you got a big brother?
who's your big brother? Braylon's your big brother.
Yeah.
You want a Happy Meal? What kind of Happy Meal
Well,
do you
Cannon
want?
said he want a Happy Meal, so I guess we eating McDonald's today, and I don't feel like eating no McDonald's.
I know, it's just so fast and convenient. It's gonna have to do.
So guys, on the update, we have the baby's room pretty much done.
Pretty much done.
It's
been
gonna
really
be
cool.
phenomenal. We just gotta add our little bit of more touches to it, and then we're gonna present it to you guys. Pat her on the back, y'all.
Thank you, babe. I
Did a
really
great job with the baby's
wanted
room.
to do the baby's nursery. It's like been a long-term goal of mine to just like do a nice nursery, so I'm super excited. It's super cloud inspired and just whimsical and breezy and modern and chic, and I just love it, and I can't wait to share it with you guys.
I just can't wait till the finishing touches when little man gets here.
Oh my gosh.
So that's gonna be the blessing.
Oh,
I
and we
just
got
can't wait
so
to see
many
his
cool
face.
things in the mail this week.
Yeah, so many.
Like so many, guys. Our doorbell does not stop ringing because you guys know it's a pandemic, so we try our best to stay in the house as much as we can to prevent the spread as best as we can. You guys know we never know. And so we've been Amazoning and interneting everything to the house to prevent us from having to be around a lot of people. You know, it's flu season. It's just, you know, best practices right now. So yeah, we are waiting. We have so many things to show you guys. I can't wait to go over them with you. I don't know if we'll do it on my channel or if we'll do it on this channel. Probably on this channel. Like go over. You want some chocolate milk? But yeah, we'll go over that video with everything to kind of like show you guys how we're preparing. Might do another video that's just specially on my hospital bag. Like there's a couple different video ideas that we have in mind. So yeah. You guys let us know below how much you'd like us to share of like what's going on with the baby and what you want to know.
Baby name reveal is in your notifications because we will drop the baby's name soon, January 3rd.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, I'm
Like,
very
are you
sure.
really, really sure about
I'm
this?
really sure about this.
You want to tell them what
Yes.
the baby's name is
Yes.
before the baby's born?
Yes.
Are you 100% positive?
I'm 100% positive.
I don't want to tell you guys yet.
Why?
He wants to tell you.
Why?
But I don't. I feel like it's so special when it's the day or the week of birth. I don't think everybody should know the name up front. But Marco wants to share the name up front, so we're gonna just do the baby name reveal before the birth.
Or you want to do? Why you? So you want to do it after?
I just feel like that's how everyone else does it. We don't have to do it like everyone else.
We'll do it like that then. We'll share the baby name afterward, just to keep baby calm and keep baby relaxed. You dig? So I don't be in the doghouse. Trying my best to stay out the doghouse, guys.
You've been doing an okay job. Besides your crazy pranks on TikTok.
Okay, I hear you. What game you been playing, Braylon? Tell me what you been playing on PS5.
Oh, on PS5, I got the new Call of Duty Cold War game.
Call of
Okay.
Duty Cold War.
I got Spider-Man models.
Mark Cannon got Spider-Man Morales, and he just been having a ball.
We were fortunate enough to get our hands on the PlayStation 5. I was fortunate enough to get my hands on the PlayStation 5 for my begging and nagging husband. Because you guys know
So I'm a begging and nagging.
he wanted
okay.
that PlayStation 5 so bad, guys. I did 4 shifts on Walmart.com about a month ago to make sure that my baby had his PlayStation 5. So I don't want to hear anything.
Yeah,
rest
she's
of
the real
year.
OG, y'all. She really was dedicated, and she beat out millions of people to getting that PS5 for your boy. Let's give her another round of applause, guys.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
I see you again. We're gonna get my hair milk and my oat milk and my hair milk and I want oat milk and my chocolate milk.
Okay, then.
Your oat milk and your chocolate milk and your happy milk and your happy.
I'm so happy on my birthday.
He thinks every day is his birthday.
Every day is Cannon's birthday, guys. It's a beautiful day today.
It is so
Look
beautiful.
how beautiful it is today.
It's not even really that chilly either. For it being December 30th.
Yeah, it's what, 55, 50 something degrees, almost 60.
Yeah, but the sun makes it feel like
Yes, 70.
nice. Mm-hmm.
Make it feel 70-ish.
Mm-hmm. It's when that sun goes down is
Yeah.
when you feel it. Or when the wind, woo, that Vegas wind.
That Vegas wind ain't no joke, guys. It'll take you, it'll make you feel like you're in Antarctica.
Mm-hmm. Look at that glow, babe. Baby Hall is legit giving me, look at this, babe. Look at that.
I see your highlights shining through the screen, girl. That's how you doing it? You lying, you gleaming over there, okay.
Wow.
Gleam, gleam, you're messing with the other team.
I'm telling you guys, I do not shine like this when I'm not pregnant. I hope that I can keep this rubric going.
Yes,
Thank
thank you.
Tell daddy old man go and get you.
Old man gonna get you, sweetheart.
Old man, go get you.
Old man gonna get you, sweetheart.
What's your favorite song, Cannon? Right now.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, me.
Woo!
You're fast.
But what's your favorite real song? Is it Super Saya?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, you're phenomenal, Cannon.
That's so good. You are so smart.
I want to see you do this, Brad. I want to see you do this.
Oops, Nick.
What's up?
What's happening?
Oh, your grandpa's on the phone.
What's up, biggie?
Hey, Grandpa, I'm in the bed.
You tell Grandpa Humpty happy birthday.
Hey, thank you, honey. Hey. Yeah, I'm feeling me. I'm all good. Believe that. I'm gonna make it like that. Now I'm coming down too. I'm coming down. Watch me. It's gonna be surprised when I see Becky come down. Marco ain't gonna even know. I'm gonna jump on him. I'm gonna jump on his damn back. He gonna carry me every goddamn where.
I hear you. With that old man, Break Marcannon, this the old man you've been talking about. Old man, go get you.
Old man gonna get you.
I ain't no old man. I'm number 58, dude.
You an old man.
No, I ain't.
He an old man.
I'm out the gate. Could you hear what I just said? I'm 58, I'm out the gate.
58 and out the gate, okay. Oops, there it is. I hear you, whoop dog. I hear you, whoop dog.
I'm just sitting back and I'm just saying, son. I'm 58 and I'm out the gate. Oops, there it is.
Oops, there it is, huh?
Look at what came in the mail finally. Look, Cannon.
Batman. It's Batman. I wanna open it.
You want to open it? Are you so excited? Okay, come here. All right. Let's see how we open him, right? So, we got that part. Now let's see if we can just pull him out. Are you so excited? We've been waiting so long for this to go.
Batman.
Oh my gosh. He's so cute.
Batman in the Prince City.
Do you love it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, Cannon, it's so cute.
I can fly. Nothing's the bad guy.
You want to show Daddy?
Oh.
Ain't he cute?
That is nice, Cannon.
Do you love it?
I love
Little
it.
baby. Look, now you can add him to the collection.
Wait, I can't.
He always wanted that, huh?
Uh-huh.
Remember, we been about that.
No, I didn't. Remember we were going to, I never did. But he asked for it the other day when his red one was missing, so I got it.
Oh, he liked that. Oh, Cannon.
Look this. I want the Batman.
You want which one?
This.
Which one do you want? Super Friends Batman? Okay, Mommy gotta find that one next.
Oh, Cannon.
Super
Daddy wanna be
Friends
like you when
Batman.
he grow up.
That looks so cool, Cannon. So what are you gonna do? What's his name?
Batman.
Batman. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Now look at the monster.
The
Batman.
monster? Which one's the monster?
We got this already. Now we didn't get this already. We
Hey,
have to
Brandon,
get this.
shut that laundry
Now we
room.
have to get this.
Okay.
Just shut
I
the
like that
laundry
White
room.
Lantern Batman. He looks like he's super
Shut the
cool.
door.
I think he looks cool. And Darkest Night Batman looks pretty cool too. We gotta find him, okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today. We finally just got
Thank you so much, guys. We just got back home. Now we're about to relax and enjoy the rest of the night. Maybe a movie night. I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna chill, look at some things on the computer. Just, chill out. Spend some time with the kids like we've been doing. Get ready for Nugget.
The Nugget's on his way.
Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Let's go.
Don't let them lie to you.
Black is beautiful.
They wanna take your soul.